Set includes jaw screw, jack screw nut, pressure bearing, 3/8 in. X24 bolt. Thread adapters 12 mm by 1.5, 14 mm by 1.5, 16 mm by 2.0, 7/16 x20, 1/2 x20, 9/16 x18, 5/8 x18, 3/4 x16. Comes with 2 sets of color-coded adjustable sleeves for each expanding driver. Comes in a sturdy molded plastic case. The OEMTools Harmonic Balancer Installer is used to properly install harmonic balancers without damage. The set includes a jack screw nut, pressure bearing, 3/8 in X24 in bolt, and 9-thread adapters suitable for popular models. Features chrome plating and black oxide finish for rust resistance and comes in a durable molded plastic storage case. Top reviews from the United States. A must for anyone toolbox. What not to like about this tool? It did the job with ease and nice case for storage.